Hi guys, today we are going to make a pasta which is so spicy and also which is so tasty. As the first step, we should take an onion and cut it into two and peel it off, and also don't forget to wash it. You can cut the onion into small pieces as much as possible you can. And this is garlic, same as the onion. You can cut it in small pieces. Also you can chop the garlic if you like, but I thought of cutting it. And this is tomato and two green chilies, same as onion and the garlic. We should cut this as well into small pieces. It's better if you cut the things that you are preparing for a one shape. That means like if you are going to cut the onion into a square shape, it's better to do the same to the tomato as well, because then it will be nice when you serve the dish. This is chili. Now you can keep some water into a bowl or anything that you like, and add some salt, and also after a while put the pasta that you need and let it boil. This is corn flour. I add 2 tablespoons and add some water and mix it well. Next, soya sauce. Add some soya sauce as well to make it more tastier. Also you can add oyster sauce if you need. And now we are going to stir all things. First add oil, then add all the things that you prepared before, the onion, chili, garlic, and mix it. Next, the tomato. You can also add onion leaves if you like, and also some sesame oil. And this is the corn flour mixture we made. I added this to make the curry thing a thick. And next, the soya sauce, and add some chili powder if you like to make it more spicy. And next, it's time to add the boiled pasta to the pan. And again we should mix it well. Now I added fresh milk, and also you can add some cheese. It's better if you can add cheddar cheese or else mozzarella cheese, but as this is my favorite cheese, I add happy cheese. And also some tomato sauce. It's better if you use the ketchup. And now it's the serving time. And now you can serve it to a nice bowl, and this is my final output.